Dell Pro Micro. Category 1.1 DA. Offer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 7.17 inches. Width, 1.42 inches. And depth, 7 inches. On the front of the system, we have the power button, universal audio jack, one USB 3.2 Gen 1, and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C. On the back is the power connector, one DisplayPort 1.4, one HDMI 2.1, two USB 3.2 Gen 1, two USB 2.0, one USB Type-C, and one RJ45 Ethernet port. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. To open the system, loosen the thumb screw at the back, slide the top cover forward and lift it up. To remove the fan assembly, first disconnect the CPU fan connection, then squeeze the blue tabs on the assembly and lift it out. The system comes with an Intel Core Ultra 5 235. This can be upgraded to an Intel Core Ultra 7 265. It has 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 6400 MHz, and can be upgraded to 64 gigs or downgraded to 16 gigs. For internal storage, there's a 512 gig M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to 1 terabyte or downgraded to 256. It has integrated Intel graphics and an internal speaker connected to a Waves Max Audio 14.0 controller. Expansion slots. There is one M.2 for a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card, and two M.2 Gen 4 slots for solid-state drives. It has an Intel Q870 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Power is supplied by a 90-watt AC adapter.